It's Puff's World. It's Puff's World. How's it going, everybody? Today I'm here in Angel Fire, New Mexico, and I'm going to be riding Angel Fire Bike Park. So to start off with this video, I'm going to take you guys to two of my favorite warm-up trails. I'm going to be riding Diesel and Turbo Diesel. It's a perfect intermediate run to warm up. So we're going to take it easy, going to have fun, and get home safe. Also, I'm here set up proper. Got my mountain bike jersey from my boy Toby Morphine. I'm ready to rock. I'm over here and looking proper, looking professional. I'm not that good, but hey, at least I look the part. But here we go. We start off on Diesel. Got a little drop again. Jump. So it snowed last weekend. You can already tell. The trails took a pretty big beating, but it's still gonna be a fun day. The best part about regular Diesel is the blends. Super high speed berms with the jumps, drops. So it makes it perfect trail to warm up on. Woo! Little jump. Yeah. Perfect way to start the day. Alright, taking the left to regular Diesel. I'm gonna come back and show you guys Turbo. But for now, we're doing the original. Just gone. Got a little drop here at the beginning. Woo! A little rock drop. Oh man, they put in some work here. This changed since last time I was here in June. Jump! Burns, burns, burns. Oh, man, these trails took a beating last week. Little jump. Oh yeah. Jump. Jump. Woo! Nice. Man, they changed a lot of sections on there. All right, so just got done with Diesel. Gonna head back up on the lift. I'm gonna take you guys to Turbo Diesel. So let's get it. Quick pro tip for whenever you're on the chairlift. Hang your helmet on that side, your bag on that side. You're scot-free. All right, so here we go. Lap number 2, turning into Turbo Diesel. This line has lots of fun little jigs off to the side, but I specifically like this because, like most mountain bikers, weakness is turning. There's lots of berms to practice. Get used to carving those berms, getting my footwork down, leaning the bike in. Definitely not the rowdiest trail, but for me it is essential for just practicing some of my skills. It looks like this trail got a lot of damage as well from last week's snow. Still fun, but whew, my hand's already hurting. Can already tell today's gonna be a half day. My hands can't handle this, but gonna have fun. Enjoy it while it lasts. Whew. Missed that one. Woo! It's hard to catch speed. How blown out this trailer. Alright. This little bonus. And this isn't a bonus, this is part of turbo diesel as well. Fun little jump line at the end. This is the area that takes you to Boulder Dash. Woo! Woo! Double! Yeah! There we go. So that's going to do it for diesel and turbo diesel. Two of the best trails here in Angel Fire to warm up on, in my opinion. Let's go down the parking lot, let's enjoy a beer. All right, so for my beer feature today, coming out of 2nd Street Brewery in Santa Fe, New Mexico, is the Windsor Trail 254 Pale Ale. Recommended by some of the folks in the New Mexico Mountain Bike Facebook group. So let's give it a go. It's coming in at 4.8% alcohol. Give it a go. Man, it's really good, nice and smooth. It tastes a little bit of the wheat, not too hoppy. It's a really perfect beer to get me going here at Angel Fire. Say what up. What up? So we're gonna do a part two of my Angel Fire series, riding with Justin, my homie Nick, and the homie Andrew. These guys are super rowdy and probably not gonna be able to keep up, but it's gonna be a good time. We're gonna have some fun. Also, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit subscribe and smash the like button, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.